here with Rob, the June 2, the quickest and fastest street GTR in the world, right?
Yeah, correct.
And you ran your first 3 weeks ago, something like that?
About 3 weeks ago now, 3.5, yeah.
And looking at the car, I mean, it shouldn't run a 6. It just doesn't make sense looking at the car.
Yeah, it defies all, nature and that, yeah.
The first thing I'm going to ask you, because I know the internet's going to ask, is what makes this a street GTR to you?
Well, I think the simple fact that it's still got full body, it hasn't been gutted out, okay, it's still got electric windows, electric mirrors, it's got the dash, it's still got all the functions and features, except for the aircon, only because we've got bigger components in it.
You might as well get rid of that.
Taken out, yeah, that's it.
I love it.
Yeah.
And you still drive it on the street too?
Yeah, I do. Very rarely now, obviously, because we've been in race mode, you know, but yeah, I mean, it's take the shoots off and go for a drive.
And did you drive it back after your 6?
I did.
That's amazing.
Yeah, I drove for half an hour after.
Yeah. And you guys are out here for quite a bit of a challenge. The surface here, I mean, we're standing on it.
Yeah.
It's asphalt.
Yeah. It's very bad.
So this car runs a 690 on a sticky track, somewhat sticky track. What are you hoping to run out here this weekend?
Our aim is to run a 7.
No one's done a 7 here.
No one
at all.
The record's 8.3, and we're here to take that. So anything better than 8.3 will be happy.
What's your best pass out here?
8.6. 8.6 at 183 mile an hour.
But that was on a quite different setup. I mean, the car wasn't running nearly.
Completely different setup. Yeah.
So what are you running this weekend? What's the setup on the car?
It's the same setup that we had when we ran the 6. It's got the Pro Mod 94 on it. It's got the 9-inch under it, turbo 400, 3.2 litre Nitto stroker. Yeah.
Pretty common motor for that series of a Skyline.
It's a billet block.
Oh wow.
It's a billet block now.
How much boost do you crank this thing up to?
63 usually.
63.
Yeah.
How much power do you think it's good for?
Over 2,000 at wheels. Yeah. I don't think we're running 2,000 wheels here, but yeah.
Yeah, not out here.
We're gonna half it and start from there and just see how we go.
It's quite the machine.
Thanks,
that's
man.
for sure.
No worries.
And this is all done at Croydon?
All done at Croydon.
We've made a few trips over there. There's always some serious builds in there.
Yeah.
All right, Rob. Cootamundra is going to be your weekend. This is going to be an awesome year.
I'm sure we'll
Good
go
luck
for a
out
drive.
there. Oh yes, I'm ready. Could be it. What you go? 8.6 170. It looks so much faster than that.
It's his PB.
Oh, it is? That's right, he ran at 8.6 before.
That's right.
Ooh, yeah. Hell yeah. New personal best? 8.4?
Yeah. What, 8.45 or something?
What was the mile an hour?
181.
181,
yeah,
damn.
Getting close.
That's moving. It's gonna get there.
Thanks, man.
Well, here comes my ride. Strap on my dorky open face helmet. Hop in the quickest street GTR ever built. June 2. I'm looking forward to this one. Oh boy.
Want to get in?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I'm ready. Well, this will be interesting.
Yeah, we'll see how we go, huh?
My record at Cootamundra is like an 8, something like that.
Okay, let's do this.
Wow, that hooked up so hard.
I bumped a little bit off the line.
I've never felt G-forces like that on asphalt.
Really?
Oh no, cool. That was insane.
Yeah, it bugged a little bit off the line, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't think it was a record.
No.
Not quite that good.
If I had a radio, I could find out. 8.7.
8.7, yeah.
Nice. I think that's like a half.
It didn't do it off the line.
Yeah. Not bad. 7 on asphalt. That is that's pretty damn fast. That car should run a 7 this weekend if everything goes well. That was badass. June 2 ride along complete. Gotta be it. 8.6. Oh, 8.6. So we're wrapping up the first day at Cootamundra, and you walk up and tell me you found something out about the last two runs.
The last 2 runs,
The one I was in and the last one.
That's right, that's right.
What happened?
Well, you know, I said to you it was down on power, and I'm trying to work out what's going on. It turns out that 98 was in the tank. I've got 2 tanks. I've got one for methanol and one for 98 street fuel.
You switched it to the wrong one?
Yeah, I switched to the wrong one. But anyway, that was a nice little blend of both 98 and methanol, and it's down on power. That's all right, we'll eat tomorrow.
That's pretty quick on 98.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad,
impressive.
Street car.
Hell yeah. It'll be a lot quicker tomorrow.
That's it.
Two, 8253.
8253. We've done it. Number 1. Yeah.
Number 1.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. What is it? 8253, mate. Yeah. Number 1, boys. Number 1.
Hell yeah. That's awesome.
Take your helmet off. Let's talk. Take your helmet off. Come on, let's talk.
Yeah.
How hard did you have to work for that?
Yeah, man, hard. We just had issues all weekend, just little teething issues, getting the car to hook. I don't know, it just wasn't happening. You know, we just had to finish the power. It's got way too much for what the surface is. Finally, we got it together, and here it is. And it's still wheel spinning the whole track. Fair, I'm telling you, it's still wheel spinning. What mile an hour was that?
I don't know. We'll find out. 182.
182, yeah.
Rob, you were the original number 1. How good does it just feel to have that one back?
Look, 100%. It's what we worked for. It's not just for me. It's for the team, the boys, the other cars in the shop. Obviously, the boys at CRD. They all worked hard for it. They deserve it. It's a team effort. Love it.
Perfect.
Thanks, man.
Nicely done.
Yeah, 148.64. Perfect.
It's got more in it. It's just.
I told him take power out. How many?
I was like, it doesn't
stressed.
sound good. Doesn't sound good. Doesn't sound good. Then third gear, you can hear them giving it a bit more. Hopefully, makes it up.
No.
I can
I'm
just
telling you now. We take power out, it'll go quicker again. I'm telling you, man. Just too much power in it, man. You gotta finesse the power in
so
this.
hard.
Yeah.
Especially this.
It's a 6-second car. What's?
Yeah.
I should be doing 7s. It's embarrassing. You know what I mean? Like.
It's not easy though.
No, it's not.
You're the first one doing it.
How'd it feel, Rob?
Cruisy. We're skating the whole way down. Pull power out.
It looked lazy, mate.
Yeah, because it's floating around, man. It's hard to harness the power here, but when you get it right, it goes like a blue.
And you haven't had any help at all. Look at this.
No. What a team. Yes,
You could look a little bit more excited, guys. Come on. There it is. Come on.
Awesome. Thanks.
Hey, get these box out of here. We've got a race meeting to run.
In the what?